There were four main aspects to our funding. The kind of most exciting thing for me was the whole kind of sustainability of the organisation going forward, and we've managed to bring in a couple of key members of staff that we're really excited to be working with now, and we've made commitments to keep them employed into the future. We've also employed a volunteer and community coordinator, and that's been a really important aspect to our funding. The engagement side with the public has really focused on our seasonal programming with a particular emphasis on our coalfields communities programming, and we've managed to develop a lot of really good relationships with local partners in relation to sort of programming different community events. And of course, what we're doing as well is introducing local freelance community artists. We're training them in community participation and engagement, and they're forming relationships with some of the partners and individuals that we are working with. So that benefits the freelance artists and it benefits the community.
It's definitely helped us become more resilient in the sense that we now have a good team of core staff that we're confident will be able to take us into the future. That's one of the main joys of this project, is that we've discovered some new members of staff that are keen and excited to work with us, and that's always important.
From a staff and volunteer perspective, it's been really useful to have Angela, our volunteer and community coordinator, working directly with our team of volunteers. It's been great to have somebody whose specific job is just to focus on supporting the volunteers. We've always survived our volunteers in this organisation, going back to 1934 when we were built. But in recent times it's been quite difficult. Lots of that traditional volunteering age group, a lot of them are retiring. So it was important that we actually focused our attention on supporting them, and Angela, our volunteer coordinator, has done a really good job at that, and the feedback we've had from volunteers has been great, and that has a knock-on effect to the whole staff team then, because they can see that there's lots of community engagement happening and it makes them feel better about their own jobs.
In terms of the audience reaction or user reaction, we've had a really busy season. There's been a lot on, lots of really positive comments about what we've been up to. Even this morning I had a great email from just a stranger, somebody that isn't a normal customer. They'd never been to us before, but they've certainly said they're going to come back, and that's important.